as always, just a precaution.
All right, Mr. Callie is starting his lockdown.
Okay. We ready? All right, let's hit it. Okay, Charlie, it's almost done. Hit it.
Release the beast and purge in our American streets. Your new founding fathers encourage your participation.
This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the Siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Okay, kids. Now, I know bad things do happen tonight, but we can afford protection. So we'll be fine just like always. No worries.